Welcome, welcome. Setting this up. Just checking this quick. We're really lagging right now. Give me 1 second, guys. Hello. I'm here, guys. I'm just checking something out just to make the stream a little better. Alrighty, so welcome to another Asian session, Asian persuasion, whatever you want to call it, hosted by yours truly, Mack. We're going to go ahead and start doing the same as always, going into GBP, JPY, and doing a quick breakdown, going from the from the higher time frames down to the lower time frames. So, let's see what's going on. Let's get a clean chart. So, GBP, JPY. Alright, because the other one is basically my chart and has a lot of lines and it could be a little confusing, you know. Let's get a clear one. Oh, wait, it's camera. I hope everyone's doing good. Waiting for the people to join in Zoom. Zoom. Also. Okay, so we got everyone here. Perfect. And that's me right there. Alright, cool. So we ready? We're ready, Freddy. I want to share my screen. It's a little confusing because now I have my main computer to the left of me instead of the right. pull. Perfect. Alright, so let's go on to GBP JPY, guys. See what's popping with GBP JPY going from the weekly. So far, we still have a strong bullish momentum. Even counting, these candles, we can tell that we're creating higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour as well as the daily. But looking at the weekly, we see that we've reached this destination here, this area around here. So we're having a little problem, going through it, which is 153, right? So between 153 and 154, like 100 pips, it's gonna be a little hard to get by. So I'm gonna just mark the top of those wicks and the body of those 2 wicks right here, double top. Also further up, have this and the top of those wicks right there. Alright, so let's see. Into the 30-minute, we can go ahead and start setting up the parameters. Basically, allocate the area where there's not gonna be a trade due to range. So we can say that down here we've created some support at 151, 600, 640. Okay, and the nearest resistance is right above here, which I believe is coming from these these candles here. Very tight zone, but I think if we keep breaking above this area here, which is almost close to 2800, we can have clean traffic to the upside. Okay. See the 30-minute. We can see that it's creating lower lows and lower highs, right? So we might continue down to get a wick fill down here. We're still at an hour away from the Asian session opening, so let's just wait, see how there can be a formation around here and a possible break below this area. So that's gonna be my sell area. So give a little rejection zone down here. Always wait for confirmation. If it's it could be an impulse trade. Say look out in case of an impulse entry. So always look out, right? So you set up your 2 alerts, one down here, bang, and the other one. Not too sure what I would like to take a trade in if we continue to break up. Because this right here is just a 14 pip gap, really not much. Continuing up, it's, only messy areas here, and then we have that lower high up here. So I think it would be best just to take buys above this area here. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, I think so. I think so. That'll be best. Giving us more space to work with. Draw protections on. Nice. Break 800. Let's say 800. A little to the downside. 870 is actually more than 6 pips, so let's say 860. 151, 860. Of course, you want to wait for that confirmation, right? Okay. And of course, you want to set up an alert just in case. Just in case. The best thing is to have alerts on both sides. You don't want to miss the move, even if it's gonna be counter trending. Because overall, we're still bullish. Weekly, monthly, daily, and let's check the 4-hour to see what's going on. So 4-hour is currently trending bearish, but we can say that if we zoom out, we look at from this view, we can say that we're creating a a higher low to continue to create the next higher high. So we have our high here, our low, higher high, higher low, and hopefully a continuation up, by breaking 153,500. They have a high here, a low, a higher high, and a higher low. So hopefully we could get that push up. So we would like to see some support being formed around this area here. So you can see better. Let me take this out. I see some sort of support around this area, maybe get created, something like this. Because continuing now to the downside here, you have this zone of basically higher highs and higher lows. I have this formation here. It could be a little tricky just to get through it, once we start heading down, if we keep on heading down. So it's gonna be the crucial point, basically at the break of 151, 500. Even though, talking to the mic like that works, but I think it's best just to put it on. Sucker. Alright, so that makes sense. Everyone agrees in the chat. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, man, I'm tired. Okay, so yeah, I got my glasses too. Delete, delete, delete. So going back to the 30-minute, guys, that makes perfect sense just to wait between this area here for a break and retest if you wanna be better, you know. A break above this area, then a retest, a continuation up, or a break below this area and a retest to continue down. Oh, and gold, of course, we're gonna do that now. Yeah, the trade that was called today in the morning, if you guys were streaming in the morning, we had sales underneath this area here. Bang. If you see this 30-minute candle that closed with no wick to the top, that was clutch. Pretty good confluence for price to continue down, even though in the 15 it closed with no wick to the bottom. But at that point, we had broke below that entire minor support. We might see something like this happening today. Just gotta be aware of volume pushing in. Sorry about that. Volume coming in, and that's it, you know. Because we still might range around here, you know, just creating that higher low that I was talking about from the 4 hour time frame, and then a continuation up to continue making that next higher high. See, your higher low, your high, and your higher low, and then you have your higher high here, and then your higher low, and then of course you want to see price to continue bullish. Yeah. So that daily close with no wick to the bottom, it's not really good. You know what that means? There's barely any range to the downside. Check. Let me check with my broker too, and also gold. See what's going on with gold. Gold is just chilling for now. Really chilling. Nothing much going on with gold. Oh, that would have been a fire ass trade. Probably, probably got stopped out. Look at this shit. Yeah, buys above 1730 worked out fine, but look at this. You know, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 candles just trying to take you out. Oh, your stop would have been at somewhere around here, maybe. Sheesh, so 20, 30 pip stop loss. That's gold, baby. Gold, baby. Yeah, the trade would have worked out. Buys above here, bang. So right now we have to do the same. Basically allocate those two areas of no trade and the areas of breakout. So we have this consolidation here, which we're gonna mark up with a rectangle tool. So meaning that this is a rejection zone. See, you know, these wicks right here on the 15 as well as the 30, because it's rejecting. So I'd say this is a perfect no trading zone. Trade zone, right? And overall we're trending bullish on in the 30-minute. Let's go ahead and check the daily, see what's popping. Whoa, it's a lot of fucking lines. 1 second. Yeah, so I can say, yeah, I can definitely say that we are trending bullish on the higher time frames on gold. So right now, have support created here on the daily. Well, echo support on the daily. Now we're currently at resistance. We might continue down to create a higher low at that point and then continue up. See if when gold, if you even look at it on the higher time frames, it has perfect structure, right? When it comes to higher highs and higher lows, see here, you have your support, your high, your low, your higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then the same thing trending downside, down on a bearish momentum. So far, let's see what targets can be possible if we continue to break above. Alright, so we have this zone right here. Seems pretty neat. It's actually coming from way before. Okay, can't find it. From way before, and that means that wick down here. Right. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and take this out because this is just rejection, really not target. If price is here and we keep breaking up, where can we see gold heading up to? Maybe here? This fucking wick right here is a whole obstacle. Really annoying. But like, you can actually get a wick fill coming from the downside to the up, covering this whole thing. So let's say the next target on gold will be at 1760, long term. Got that, bang. Let's stretch it up from here to here. Because you got all that rejection here, nasty, 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 and then finally 1760. Also, we have that wick right here, that motherfucking wick right here on the top at 1755. If you can notice, it's moving on like on $5 increments, like 1755, 1760, 1770, 75, 85, and then after that, it's a little more messier. But yeah, man, gold is a monster, and you gotta know how it's trending. Oh, this is something that I drew the other day. In case anybody wants to copy that volume sessions, pre-London, London Open, pre-New York, New York Open, and the NYSE. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, so no trade. I believe it would be best to look for sales if and only if we start breaking below this wick right here. That would be safer. Other than that, I'm not taking any fucking sales. Fuck that. Sales right now on gold, hell no. Does not make any fucking sense. So yeah, unless, you go for 20, 15 pips easily, but we need to break below that area to continue down here and get our retest. So sales below 1740. Um, Close underneath. Underneath the wick more. That wick, the wick. The wick? Yeah, the wick. Right here, bang. And of course, buys, we have a lot of room to go up. Yo, what's up, Salim? Poppin'? Yeah. Yes. 45, yeah. Yeah, but look at these wicks right here. I don't know if they might show up on your on a different feed, but I don't know what feed is it. I think it's FXCM. Oh no, it's on the. So check these wicks up here. You see this area here? That's messy, super messy. On gold, big ass fucking daily wicks like this are fucking messy. So you gotta be aware of that. Now this is a complete different wick, right? This is a nice, beautiful wick, so we could get a wick fill easily. But here, this is yeah shit, goat shit. So still, still, this is a pretty nice range, right? If we stay above 1745, like you're mentioning, we have 95 pips to the way up, so that's good. It's a $5 move right there, 50 pips easily to 100. You're right. Exactly. Right, 7075, right. Coming down here, you see that support created. That will be a perfect target long term. So 1775 above that area, we have a little minor headache here, 1795, 94, and then right on top here, your 1800s already. But first we gotta get to 1800s. Then we can discuss what's gonna happen above 1800s. But yeah, based on how we're trending, how it's moving really hard on the upside, even creating a massive top wick on the monthly. Well, when it closed before, right? It looks a little different on my broker, but anyway. So yes, support here on the monthly, continuation up. A lot of room to keep going up, right? So let's go back here. Remember, we're here to take 20 pips, not 1,000. So let's see what's going on. We have to wait for that break. Once we get that break, perfect. We can go ahead and get into some nice little buys or above that area here. So I'm gonna set up an alert here. Set up another alert down here just in case of sells. You never know. So going back to GJ, what's going on? If I'm not reading the chat on YouTube, my bad, guys. I'm just trying to finish the charting here in a little bit. You can send me some charts so I could go ahead and check them out. But just give me a little. Yeah, so GJ, same thing. On a trade zone right there. Yeah, so GJ. Alright, that was echo. Echo, echo, echo. Mm-hmm. So all we gotta do is just wait, right? Wait for some volume to come in. I'm gonna discuss how these sales played out on today. Basically, let's go into the 4 hours, see how that 1 a.m. candle closed, which is the pre-London to London open. So we got the 1 a.m. candle closing bearish. So normally around that time between the 1 a.m. candle and the 5 a.m. candle, you can see some sort of reversal. I've explained that a couple hundred times, but in this case we didn't get it. It just had a nice little retest to the upside and a continuation down to drop, basically price correction. Price corrected down to 151 500 or 530, not that pretty close to 500, right? And now we're just, hanging around this area here. So what I can expect is a continuation down if we break below this support here, or we can just range in here for a little longer and then have a breakup of this area and continue up, knowing that on the higher time frames, well, way higher than 4 hour, like the daily or the weekly, we're still um, you know trending bullish, extremely bullish. So yeah, it's just patience right now. We had a lot of movement coming from today, even though it's basically a new day, right, quote unquote, because Market Watch says that we've already passed the rollover. Still, I don't trust that a lot of volume that came through London, London, pre-New York, New York, and even London closed. Now that we're gonna have the same or some similar volume during the Asian session, but let's see. That's what we're here for. But now, if you guys have any charts you want to send, go ahead and send them on the YouTube chat. Or if you have it on the Zoom, just holla at me, let me know, and I'll go ahead and check it out. So let me open up the chat here. Hey Mac, anyone here using Dominion Markets? Because I signed up and I can't do verification on my profile. I'm still zero levels. I don't know. Is it safe to deposit? I don't know. I don't know what zero level is, brother. But it should be. I can vouch that it's a good broker, but I don't know how the verification works. I still haven't checked it out. See. Who is Freddy? I don't know who the fuck Freddy is. What lot size do you use? Irrelevant. GBP USD, send a chart. GBP CAD, send a fucking chart. Hopefully we have a break above. Yes. Deleted messages. Use a train line, bitch. Okay. Trader Joe. It's a good restaurant. Does the mini market work with the US? Yes. GBP AUD, send a chart. GBP JPY took a slide yesterday. How is it looking for today? Is it too early? I don't know. Send the chart. iMac NY stream tomorrow. No Raja. I don't know. Send the chart. I'm fucking playing. I don't know, brother. I work, so I gotta figure it out. Maybe I could stream, maybe I can't. Bim bim. But you guys want me to stream tomorrow? Streamy, a little streamy reamy, and some sandwichinis. Oh yeah, let's see what Kerwin says. Where's my phone? Where the fuck is my phone? Yes, yes. I got a lot of yeses in here. Whoa. Yes, yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, it would be a fun stream, 6 a.m. Super early, early as shit. Half asleep. I would drink like 3 cups of coffee and turn that shit up. Put some music in the background. Smoke some weed. It's like the teacher left, right? All right. So yeah, now I'll think about that. So far, let's concentrate here. We might get a little trade on gold. Come on, come on. My spread is fucking high, but fuck it. I'll do anything for the gulag, you know that. But I get orders from the top, from people from the top. You know, top. Shh, you gotta sip it. You don't know who's in the top. It's like the whole mafia down here. I gotta see what the top says. Fuck. Move. Yeah. Okay, so same shit's happening right now. GJ's not moving, gold is not moving. We still got another 25 minutes still. Oh, the Asian Open and the Chinese stock market opens at 9:30 p.m. I'm the fucking Gulag boss. Yes, Gulag boss. XRP. I know XRP went up fucking high, right? I think I made like a couple $100. Hopefully, if I still have it. Binance, Kraken. Yeah, let's go with Binance. Binance. Oh, where's Binance dollar? Fuck it, let's use Kraken. The Kraken, release the Kraken. I got my boy Burner looking like Johnny Depp. Johnny, fucking hi, man. This is trending. Hey, whoever's holding XRP from like. I was holding XRP Ripple from like fucking like $3. Shit hit like $1.70 one time. I said, fuck it, I'm selling it. But at the top of the top of the top, can you check out my quick scalp on GJ 1 minute? Yeah, sure. Hey Rod. See what's going on. Let's summon Lord Kerwin. Yeah, call that motherfucker. Kerwin! Oh my god, I forgot to share it here. Yo, Bernie, can you do me a favor? Can you share the Zoom link on WhatsApp?
Oh, what do you mean? I didn't even get the Zoom.
Oh my. Oh shit, fuck. Let's see.
I had to hack in to get in there.
Damn. Orders from the top. The top is gonna kill me now.
I messaged you in the YouTube saying you'll send me the link.
Nah, it's that I gotta log in. I can't. This shit's a fucking mess, bro. I gotta get a computer, a PC, not a Mac.
Man, I gotta get rid of his Mac.
Yeah. Ironic.
Yo, if anything, holla at Apple and be like, yo, send me a free Mac, bro. I'm streaming every this month.
Motherfuckers. Genius barking suck dick. Genius in there. Hey Rod, give me a second, dog. Let me go ahead and do this shit quick. So 1 minute scalp by A-Rod. Bearish intraday structure, yes. Wondering where's this coming from? That trend line. I know down here, you know, you have your support. You have safe resales break up the previous lows of body candle close back above 151.8500. People still respecting bearish PPL. Okay, price psychological price level. Okay, respecting bearish structure. Correct. Safer buys break up with previous highs and close. And body candle close above 152.200 PL and a break of bearish intraday structure. So yes, I mean this is the 20 pip range up here, right at the break of 152 flat if you want to take it, and then right below this area, you got 30 pips right below that zone. So this right here will be your kind of like your no trading zone. So from here to here, you need a break right above this area or right underneath this area. Now that you know this trend line, I don't know if it's respecting anything, but it broke. And my retest down here to continue down. But man, this is really like too complicated for most people here. I'm not saying anything, but it just fuck, it got stuck. Come on. Alright. Yeah, let's just keep it simple for now. 8 A-Rod, GJ. Yeah, same thing, you know. Want to get that breakup of that wick here, right, to continue up, or right below this area to get that wick filled down here. Oh, we still need a break. Let's see what's going on with AU since the dollar is acting up. AUD USD. Whoa, fucking rangy. And yeah, and it doesn't even look that pretty, man. So
Yeah, basically AU had its RBA, which is their banking system. They had their rate decision yesterday, which they kept the interest rates the same. Price actually dropped down from the main resistance level, the 4-hour resistance, right at pre-London. And then you'll notice price kept going down until about 6 o'clock this morning, New York. And then once you had that double top, or not double top, you see the bottom, you see the 1-hour candles, it did like a double rejection, and then after that point, it's been going up since. And then it hits back at that same resistance level from yesterday, and it's just been consolidating there since basically lunchtime.
hmm,
Yeah, I'm not looking at anything right now. Like if I see AU keep respecting 76.64, which it's basically hovering at right now, then I might look for sells. But even with that, it's kind of cautious with the momentum because we look at the daily. We still have 15 minutes before the daily closes. We can see the strong rejection to the bottom.
eight. Yeah,
Simon,
Simon, Simon Jefe. Yeah, and I see what you're saying here on the 4-hour close though. Like Doji, really not much going on. But yeah, overall, I'd say it'll be best to look for buys unless you get like a massive rejection again here.
yeah, if it were to dip down some, I would look for buys.
Uh, because now after here, 76.80, you have all this clean range up to, let's say here. So that's pretty nice. It's nice. Knowing, of course, that the dollar, stays a little weak as it is, and AU catches some strength. Yeah, it makes sense. We shall see. Anyway, I'll be right back, guys. Let me go ahead and set up some coffee because I'm about to nug out. I'll be back. What's that shit called? Java Lava? Java Hava? Many pairs ranging just got to sit and wait. Yes, much love. Yes, dog. 200 viewers, and all we gotta do is sit and wait. Really, not much going on. GJ go up. GJ wants to go up. Yes. For GJ to go up, we need to respect this zone here, these wicks right here. So we need basically a close right above this area, right? Safer buys will be at the break of this zone here, which is 151.850. Riskier buys, meaning higher risk, high reward, will be for this 30-minute candle to close with no bottom wick, meaning there's no range to the bottom side. Basically, it's not even grabbing liquidity, and the next 15-minute candle will break right above this area to continue up. And this will be the perfect support. It might get retested, take you out, but at least you can secure 10 pips. All right. So just wait. I'd suggest everyone to wait because this right here is really not clean traffic. It's not. It's dirty traffic, and this right here might look like clean traffic, but you have all this uh, rejection here, and basically it's not clean traffic. You can clearly see that it's created lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs, and now lower lows. Probably going for the next lower high if we don't break, if we keep structure. But if we break structure, then this candle will break out of here to create the next continuation to the upside. But I'll be right back. Just wait. It's not gonna go anywhere. We still got a lot of time. I'll be back. Alright, so what's going on? Nothing much. Same shit, different day. You guys can see me now. Can't see me now. 6 minutes. Just no audio because I got my headset on. Burner, brah. Somebody said no audio. He's making coffee. Yeah, man. Man, what you do now, bro? I don't know. It's saying burner. Burner, man. Burner resurrected yesterday. Jesus. Alright, USD looks like it's breaking above that area. Ultimately, what I want to see on the 1 hour will be a break and retest. So we have this area here. Whoever wants to trade it, trades. So you will need a breakup of the zone. You mark it up like this. AUD/USD is a perfect example to show someone how to trade a break and retest on the 1 hour. So we have a clean 1 hour candle going up. Hopefully breaks above, but the next one, what can happen is that we can have something like this on the 1 hour. Let's use blue. Just basically going above this area here. So we broke out of this zone, right? All right. So yeah, it makes sense. Then, of course, you want to see a retest candle on the 1 hour. Hopefully something like this with a small wick to the downside. Hopefully not breaking the low of that previous one. And your entry will be here. This is the retest zone right at the break. And then you'll have your continuation up. So perfect break, go candle, retest candle, continuation up. Happens a lot on AUD/USD. So it's a good trade right there. So in English, that means buys, buys, buys.
But like I said, this resistance level though, like I said, 76.64, which I know at the moment we're above it.
Mm-hmm.
I know typically these are strong resistance levels.
Right.
Because the thing is, bro, like really the buys, the best buy for this morning, obviously at the bottom is 7600, like 7606.
Best Buy.
And then another good retest period to buy would have been 7634 when price came back above that resistance level, and then you saw it consolidated and then jumped on top of the EMAs and then pushed up again for the next higher high.
Mm-hmm.
But in reality, like in my eyes, over the last like 7, 8 hours, I don't see anywhere that would have been worth buying. It's been in the 7, 8 foot range since like lunch from New York.
7. Fuck. Let's see. 9. Yeah. 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 Buys from here would have been better right here. 7 a.m. 56. 56, but it would have been safe. Safe. How could I have entered on this trade? Seeing bottom here, then some liquidity grab right at 6:30. Yeah, still pretty New York, and then continuation up. Yeah, no, I would, I wouldn't, I wouldn't. Oops, somebody saw my fucking history. Oh man, I'm fucked. I bet one of you fucking sickos is gonna go back and look at my history. Fucking sickos. Yeah, played myself. Alright, so guys, we're about to break that area here. We still got what? Still 1 minute to the Asian Open. And see what's gonna happen. Imagine grabbing buys from here, fucking riding that shit up to like 156. Sheesh. So from here all the way up to here, 400 pips. Nice. I'm not saying everyone to, buy right now and hold it. You need some confirmation. Confirmation, jefe. Alright, for marching buys right now. So that 30-minute close with no wick to the top. So it's a really hard chance for price to continue up. It might reject from there. It doesn't look that good. Little nipple on that 30-minute wick. Yeah, no, it's not good. It's not good. Not good right now. Not good. Right now, we might retrace all the way back here again, and this is just gonna be a ranging zone and ranging day, unless you know we start breaking above this area, and then that will be an impulse trade if we start seeing, you know, GJ pushing up on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, and closing above this zone here that I have drawn, extending it, to here. But yeah, that's what I think. It's just that closing with barely any wick to the top. Seeing how this next one is coming, I think yeah, it could be a good trade. I got the alert. We're pushing up, but we're not closing, so still wait. Need that 15 minutes to close above that area here. So yeah, I think that would be the play, right? Getting in right now, setting your stops underneath that previous 30-minute candle, getting at least 10 pips basing this volume here. How it's breaking up, it will be your impulse entry. And going on to the 30-minute, you want at least, hey, we got one wick here. That's 18 pips, 16, really not much. Oh man, it's really like it's kind of like a headache taking a trade like this. So I'm not even gonna call it. I don't think it's worth it. I think it will be best not to no, I mean not to go based on an impulse trade. Rather see a close. My opinion right now, because I already took a trade today, so I want to be safer. I want to see this closing above, and then you still got another 3 15-minute candles, for price to continue up. But yeah, that would have made sense as an impulse trade. At the close, um, of a 5 minute candle right above that area, it can also be a good confluence. So Oh no, hell no. So,
Especially with nothing that's real clean, like a real nice setup.
yeah, not even on GJ. Right now, this is basically an impulse trade would have been, right here at the break of that 15, um, with the 15 minute or even on the 5 minute at that rejection zone that I have drawn here. So that's 0.800 already. We're above that area, and then we have 152 flat. That's already 10 pips. Good. And finally, you go into the 30 minute. See where can we hit up to next. We can easily hit up here. That zone here. Leave your runners running. But yeah, for me, I don't think it's worth the stress right now. I'm talking about that's in a psychological way, right? Taking a trade right now and just stressing, even if it's a small lot, not worth it. But I can say that, based on volume, how it's pushing right now, we can continue up and get at least, 10 pips. And this 5 minute close right above that range. So yeah, makes sense. But I'm not taking the trade, so let me take that out. And gold is just, fuck. Oh man, it's got an alert. Oh, gosh. Stop fucking beeping, dog. Jesus. So yeah, got an alert, touched that area, but did not break. You know, doesn't even look like it's pushing. It's really sad. Looks like an old wanker. Old wanker. So we're getting that small retest on DJ. Let's see other GBP pairs. See what's going on. What's going on with the GBP community?
You ever check out GA?
No, but I know it moves a lot. I'll check it out now. See what's going on.
I just don't like the pound, bro. Ever since like I took a bad trade a couple years back on it, I refuse to touch pound positions. But I see a lot of people always send me their analysis for GA, and it looks like it moves pretty clean.
GA, let's see. Yeah, I've seen some people trading GA lately. I don't know why. Alright, wow, it looks simple. Yeah, very simple, Super clean market structure. Except, these areas here were probably from the holidays or first of the month, okay? Really rangy. Let's see how big are these ranges.
It's probably because of the holiday.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Overall structure, it's it's rangy still, and they turned bearish on. This is from 2020. Okay, that's the drop from Corona, and it hasn't recovered since then. Shit, damn. Means that both countries are fucked. Alright, so GA 4 hour. What do we see here? Very complicated market structure, but I can see we're definitely dropping. So let's see how can we manage a trade on GA. Basically, yeah, I'll just take a trade if we break below these ranges here. You see this, like this range that's created here, here, right? I'll just wait for a break below that area. We have a wick to fill down here, then another small support down here. But yeah, man, if you see it consolidating like that, then I'll just wait for a break. But other than that, I really don't pay attention during London to GA, nor I pay attention during New York, so I really don't know how it moves on the 15 or the 5 minute. But I've seen people trading and getting easy 20 pips. Damn. Alright. And the other one will be GBP USD, but which tends to wick a lot. So wicks in GBP USD are usually a lot bigger than GJ. If you guys want to see, then even on the 30-minute, you can see wicks like that, right? So your stops should be a little bigger. Yeah, it's a lot of wicks, a lot of wicks. GBP. Oh, GBP CAD. Only person I know that trades that is Alex. Yeah, same thing, basically about the same thing. It's kind of like a mix of GA and GU. But bro, there's nothing like GJ. GJ is my bitch, and she is my fucking bitch. Yeah, you guys see how that 15-minute candle faked the fuck out? Look at that. Wow, horrible. Didn't break, so no confirmation. Horrible, horrible, horrible. If I were to be managing that trade, knowing that we went up probably just to grab some liquidity and now we're coming back down, I would have closed already. Because that's your eight. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Fuck you, Jimmy. Oh, yeah. Seeing this 8 to 8 p.m. candle, probably grabbing liquidity to continue down, or it's just playing around that range. So we just need to wait. JJ Valdez, what did JJ Valdez say? A-Rod. Why was he disrespectful? Mackie Doms, morning Mackie. What was he saying, bro? Don't delete the messages. Burner's mic is taking the secondhand smoke. Somebody said, go, go, vamos, oro. No, bro. Mac, what do you think of gold? Gold is consolidating right now. We're still on a bullish trend, so just wait. We might have a pullback. So yeah, just wait. Wait until that 15-minute closes above that area would be best. And then you go into the 30 minutes to determine your stop loss to see if it's adequate enough for you to take a trade and if it's worth it. If you guys know the definition of adequate, means if it's necessary and how much of it, the specific amount. But you see how that 30-minute close with no wick to the top, very not really good. 8 p.m. candle when popped up, created that wick to the top. It looked like it was just grabbing liquidity to continue down, but now it looks like it's closing above the range. So this is a very stressful trade for whoever's in it. Let's say if I had taken trades during the London, New York session, and right now I see this coming up, I would not take it. Even if it looks like an easy trade, I would not take it. Because GJ guys moved a lot today, like a lot. We had the top created here. Right at 1:30 a.m. pre-London, and then pre-London that was basically your entry. I was showing this to some people I did a one-on-one with. Show it to you guys as well. Basically, like the sessions, best times to trade with. So your session times, your London. So you have pre-London 1:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. This is all Eastern time. Then you have London open 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Then you have your London close, which is at 11 a.m. Going on to New York session, you have your pre-New York 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. On New York open from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the New York Stock Exchange, which is at 9:30 a.m. and your New York close, which is at 5 p.m. Asian stream pre-Asian, which is 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Not suggested because spreads are high. And of course, you have your Asian Open, which happened 14 minutes ago. And China SC, which is China Stock Exchange. Fuck my ears. Which is at 9:30. See, that was a nice little ring on gold. Okay, see what's going on here. Pay some attention. See how this 15-minute candle closed. Goes with no wick to the bottom, like just the body. These candles are closing fucking weird, dog. I don't get it. Yeah, let me go into the different chart because my chart is fucking too laggy. It's actually making me lag. But yeah, you got this closing above, so that's good. 15-minute closing above. I believe, if you want to stay in that trade, that you have to set up your entry right here at the break. So the entry, right at the close of that 15-minute candle, and your stop loss will be underneath the range, so somewhere around here. Preferably I'll do it right below this candle here, which has no wick to the bottom, meaning that it's less possible for it to get a retest and a continuation down. And of course you have your primary target right above here, secondary target, and no, that's good. And that's what, how many pips? 32 pips. I don't fucking get why people don't mute themselves. Fucking Kirklin. Fuck. Can't even spell your name, but trick, trick, Kirklin. Cling. Oh shit, another one. Fucking just getting hit by alerts. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah. This is gonna be annoying. If it keeps on hitting it, I'm just gonna get that beep again. Uh-huh. So, yeah. Same thing with gold, Wait for the break below that area. And hopefully, bypass those wicks. And ultimately buys will be at the break of 1745. Am I in GJ? No, I'm not in any trade right now. I already took my trades this morning, banked. It's very easy. So no need for me to take a trade. But yes, it makes sense to get into buys. Buys would definitely work out rather than sells. As we're breaking the high of the previous one, that will be a better confluence that we're gonna continue up. China owns South Africa. Okay, did not know that. China owns everything. So we're bored. What do we do when we're bored? We're gonna go ahead and check the economic calendar. So we go to investing.com. So investing.com. So Aussie holiday, RBA. Bernie was talking about it. Really nothing else left except for the Kiwi. And that's in 39 minutes. And they're also doing the RBA shit. No idea what the fuck that is. But let's check tomorrow. What the fuck? Is that Iran? Alright, we got Japan, the Euro. Spanish services really don't think that's gonna affect that much. So the Euro, PMI, German services. Oh, okay, so the Euro is actually having a lot of shit going on. Services. Oh, okay. So yeah, it might be a good day for the Euro tomorrow. If anyone trades Euro, all pairs like EU or EJ. Or EN. Or GBP, EUR. What's the pound against the euro? What's the pair? What's the pair called? The pound against the euro? Um, GBP. This is GBP EU.
It's Euro GBP.
Oh, Euro GBP, right? My bad. Thank you. Came in clutch. Came in clutch, sir. Euro GBP. So, knowing that the pound, it's being strong, right? And the euro might have some reaction here. I don't trade EG at all, but when these moments come through and there's rates called out for the euro and the euro weekends while the pound gains strength, what's gonna happen is that we are gonna have a nice little drop. Bang. But yeah, these are like the pairs that you trade once in a blue moon due to the impact news. Other than that, fundamentally speaking, it's really hard to tell what the fuck is gonna happen next. Alright, so it seems like it's still on the way up, so that was a good call right there on GJ. Remember, guys, it's the Asian session, so you just want to secure and get the fuck out of there as soon as possible. Yo, go GJ, you flaming asshole. Okay. Looks like all the FX make that same patterns. No. Not all FX what? Make all the same patterns? Like pairs? No, man. Not all pairs make the same patterns. That's something that I've learned. Uh, that's why it's best to stick to one pair and then you go on to the next one and you little by little dissect it so you know how it moves. Because I can compare EG to GJ. Very two very different pairs first and foremost. Uh, this one is just being traded in Europe mainly. This is the main currency, the euro, and the pound. Oh, when it comes to GJ, which is like the pinnacle of any GBP pairs, right? So whenever you trade any GBP pairs, you refer to GJ, how GJ is doing. If GJ is having a pullback, most likely other GBP pairs is gonna have a pullback. Um, Overall time frame, you look at GBP, you see the strength based on the on that pair GJ. The reason why is because it's paired with a safe haven JPY. So the yen is it's a very strong currency. Have a very great system, banking system. So consider it a safe haven. Very stable. So whatever happens with the pound, if it weakens or strengthens, then you can see the movement a lot clearer. Hope that makes sense. What's happening with AU, Burner? Like A- AU, did it push up? Oh yeah, look. Oh, it went back in. Mm. Right. So you have that support here. Yeah, no, but yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah, right here. This is what I'm looking at. Yeah, need a breakup of that area. Gold is really not doing anything. We're still in the no trade zone. Yo, Javier, brother, shut the fuck up. GBP and USD are risk on. Risk on. You mean riskier? Jerome, GBP, GJ, the upside, 152.100. Yeah, if we continue to break these highs, yeah, I said it. This looks like a very good support if we start breaking above this area. And that's what's happening right now. So whoever caught that trade right now, that entry, that impulse entry, right at the break of that zone that I had drawn, then you should be up already. 7 pips at least. Oh no, well 5 pips, really not much because of the spread. So now that we're getting close to this zone here, this will be the area to not to basically we gotta bypass. So the next 30 minute hopefully goes above here, breaks that previous that current high we're making, and continues up. So this right here will be a nice little swing if we start getting buys above this area here. But it can easily retest down here because I've seen it before. show you prime example of that. Trying to catch the bottom. You go here on GJ. You see here. Go to the 4 hour. Give me 1 second. Show you something cool. Be like the perfect support to buy off, but then it got retested and it got fucked, right? So basically, you have this, right? This area here, right? Pay attention. So this is all through the Asian session, right? So we had this little drop here, then a continuation up. So your 1 a.m. candle closed bearish, the next one bullish, nice reversal, continuing up, and then boom, a retest. So that would have taken you out maybe if you didn't have if you had a stop loss. But that yes, this is what I want to see on a swing trade, a support like this. So imagine basically the same thing happening here, right? Then price continuing up, giving no flying fucks. Because now on the 4 hour looks like we broke the high of the previous one. So yeah, good confluence. Alright, 30-minute close. We barely any wick to the top side. So little eh. Little spooky. Oh, it's continuing up. I think that was the best confirmation right here. Even though it's a little after already, you know, that this is breaking the high of the previous one. Might go a little lower to retest, but anyway, you had the nice close up of this zone. Even with this 15-minute candle would have been good. You just want to see at least 10 pips above this area closing. That would make me happy. Because in my head I'll be like, shit, I called it. Shit. Iron Man trading half. What the fuck? What fucking kind of name is that? What's the spread? Should be like 1 pip on DJ right now. No, it's higher. Asian is higher. It's like a pip and a half. Looks like GJ does good with breakouts and pullbacks. Yes, yes, it does. Except retest. Caught it early. Took 11 pips. Mack. Nice movie. It's dope. So you followed through. You made it. Dope. Close that shit or parcel it. JPY is a risk-off currency, correct? It's a safe haven. Gold sell, I don't know. Did not get the alert. We're breaking down here. Remember, guys, we still have these wicks here. Very deadly wicks. We can get up here and then just boom, hit back up. My eyes are burning. Yeah, really not much going on. See what else is happening this week. Oh, oil inventories, which is tomorrow, on Wednesdays. FOMC meeting tomorrow at 2. Okay, dope. It is what it is. Rick's house. Rick. Who the fuck is Rick? What the fuck Rick stand for? The Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors? House? Okay. Don't want to know about it. Alright, Thursday. Oh, PMI for the pound of 4:30. So an hour and 30 minutes after the opening. And ECB, monetary policy statement. Okay. And Powell speaks on Thursday at 12. Okay. After that, really nothing much. Mac, try zooming in. You try zooming in your graphics. The candles look small on YouTube. The candles look small on YouTube. That's because you have a little monitor. Maybe your resolution is really low because these candles look huge right now. You want to see little candles? I'll show you little candles. This is little candles. This right here is little candles. That's little candles right there. When it starts to look like a fucking heartbeat sensor, that's little candles. So yeah, nothing much really. Stayed in the range in gold. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a night for tonight, guys. Really not much going on. I'm gonna take Mackie. Mackie, I like your name, Mackie. So I'm gonna take your chart. Mackie. So it's gonna be a very steady and slow week for DVP, and I don't know much about the dollar, because we have Jerome Powell speaking. So be careful about that if you trade gold or any dollar pairs. But for the pound, it seems to be a very stable and a nice cruising week. Second week of April. Ah, fuck. I fucked up. Let's go, Mackie. Or this is the possible retest. GJ. These are fucking. You have Japanese candlesticks? Fuck. Um, is it possible that price would retest this? Where's price at now? Price is here, no? 151,945. Yeah. Oh, you want to retest to try to get buys again? Is this possible retest? Yes, that's possible. This one here is possible to go back down there and retest this support, which was resistance before. You know, look into the 30-minute, we might get a little retest down here, or even run here, right? And then a continuation up. So yeah, it makes sense. Jerome Powell is a bum. Yeah, he's a fucking bum. Fucking bum. Brazil. Brazil's everywhere. Hey Mike, what are your thoughts on gold? Oh man, this is gonna get complicated. Basically on gold, what am I thinking on gold? Let's look on the monthly. Let's see what's going on the monthly on gold. A lot of lines. So let's get a clean chart on gold, right? I'm gonna delete everything here. And let's start from the monthly. Alright. So what do we see on the monthly? We see a support being established here, which is 1700s. We've seen a basically liquidity pull and a grab down to 1676 back in March. So 1680 to be exact, you know. So right now, based on what I'm seeing on the monthly, I believe we're gonna continue up and respect, as long as we respect the support at 1700 flat. You look on the weekly, see what's going on. Massive pullback, and I can definitely consider this a liquidity grab, right? And now that this current weekly candle is breaking the high of the previous one, and we're continuing up, we can say that this is creating higher highs and higher lows to get that market structure of higher highs and higher lows, right? Bullish, basically. So something like this. Now you have your support here. You have a move to the upside, move to the downside, even deeper to grab liquidity. Then you have your next resistance here, right? So now it's about this weekly candle to break above this area. If we break above that area, you see it breaking above this zone here, then it's already, good to say that it's gone. So we might have a small retest and then a continuation up, right? Creating another support here and resistance. And yeah, that would be perfect, seeing gold taking off again. What is the reason for the Zoom chat be shouting at that at the end of the stream? I don't know. But yeah, man, I think gold is it's getting to that point of breaking these highs here, getting out of this nasty range, and then continuing up to create that, pretty nice and neat market structure like we had here with this drop, right? So we can see the same thing happening, but to the upside. But yeah, so guys, be safe. If you're in that DJ trade, I think that's already more about maybe 8 pips. That's moved 9 pips total. Somebody sent, oh shit, $5 from somewhere south. Thank you, Fian. Thank you. Peace out, brothers. Be safe, everyone. Remember, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Um, if I decide to stream, I'll, I'll, I'll put it on Instagram. But other than that, I think there's a couple other people that are currently streaming the New York session. Let's see. Let's ask the Zoom chat. You guys know anyone streaming the New York session? No.
Not really sure. I think there's a guy called Lou who might be hosting it.
Who?
Just the London session.
Luke.
Yeah, yeah.
What? Who the fuck is Luke? Hook.
He does actually good streams in the morning.
Don't talk to me about no streams. No, I'm playing. Holy shit. Oh. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. I'll fucking do it. Me or Sasha? Controller effects? No, bro. Who the fuck is that? Bra 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 dra 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 bra bra. Why not, Mac? Cause bro, I work. I got shit to do, man. But um, Capital Hungry Jeevan does the London session. Luke trades London. I don't know who the fuck is Luke. He's not doing the New York session for sure. Controller streams gonna be trash now. Yeah, Quagmire should get her done. No, I don't. I'm not gonna tune into no fucking Quagmire stream. Fuck that guy. If anything, I'll do my own stream. Me and Burner take over again. But anyway, guys, see you. Be safe. You're in these buys. Believe it's gonna continue up. We might have a small retest, like this guy said, Mackie Mackie. But other than that, thank you guys for showing up, and I'll see you guys on Thursday. Be testing viewers doing the Indian session. Bye bye, Celine. Be safe. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome.